Welcome everyone to a new video for the channel. This time you will discover how to greet, respond correctly, and sound more natural. I will give you 4 options. 2 will be correct, 1 will be acceptable, and 1 will be incorrect. So with that said, let's get started. If someone says hello to you, what do you answer? They say good morning to you, what do you answer? They say good afternoon to you, what do you answer? They say good night to you, what do you answer? If you were able to answer correctly, congratulations. I'll show you some new vocabulary next. It is mainly to have a conversation. Since I didn't show them in the previous videos. Likewise, I will leave you a file that you can download so you can practice. Having said all that, see you next time.